it's your girl Shavella here, first time diabetic, and I'm trying to beat it with diet and exercise. So, this is kind of a put together whatever meal, whatever I was feeling, whatever I already had in the refrigerator. So, we got some chicken tenders, baked chicken tenders with hot sauce, and then some olives and garlic. And then a sweet potato. So that's dinner, guys. Bye. See you later.